Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set auto draft in ESPN Fantasy Football. Let's get started. First, open the ESPN Fantasy app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on My Team. This brings you to your roster screen. From here, we will access your draft settings. Now look at the top button and tap on League. Once you are on your league, tap on League Manager 2. From here, you will access your draft settings. Now tap on Draft Settings. Inside Draft Settings, find the option called Auto Pick Strategy or Auto Draft. Tap it and you will see a few simple options like Best Available Player, Fill Starting Lineup first, or Pick according to my rank. Choose the one you want. Most people use Best Available Player because ESPN picks the top ranked player for you. If you want more control, tap Edit Pre-Draft Rankings. Here you can move players up or down to ESPN knows who you prefer. The auto draft will follow your ranking list during the draft. After setting a strategy and rankings, scroll down and tap Save. If you don't save, your auto draft won't activate, and that's it. Once your draft starts, ESPN will automatically pick players for you based on the settings you just set. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.